We reached out to Google to check the trends that they've noticed over the past few months, pretty much during this pandemic, and they shared this trending tool with us. Now, it shows what's going on in terms of people searching for divorce, giving us some insight. You can see a dip in searches in mid-March. Inquiries climbed by April and peaked around July 5th. Georgia is among the top 5 states where people most search for info about divorce. Besides the financial stress of layoffs and furloughs, attorney Michelle Thomas says she's seeing a lot of child custody disputes. Couples are disagreeing on what activities children should be involved in right now and whether they should return to school or daycare. So while some businesses are suffering during this difficult time, others are thriving.
So when you throw in COVID-19 and months long of quarantine and being in each other's space, that just makes marriage even harder. And so that's what I'm seeing is there's been, and I believe my colleagues are as well, an intense uptick in the volume of calls because people need an escape. They need a way out.
Psychologist Tracy Alloway says if a marriage was already on the rocks, the pandemic just brought everything to the surface. She explains it's common that when people are in such conflict situations, they'll look for an escape. And mental health is a big part of the equation. Alloway provides virtual counseling sessions and offers this advice.
I think it's important for us to stop and reflect and really think, what do we appreciate about our significant other, and is it worth fighting for? And really take that time before we just act out of frustration.
Thomas has filed countless divorces over her 17 years in practice and says communication is the key to making a marriage work, even through a pandemic. Communicate constantly, effectively, and respectfully. She also says that she has noticed over the years that a little bit of gratitude can go a very long way. In the Information Center, I'm Keitha Nelson, First Coast News on your side.